A new national survey shows mental wellbeing has declined across all age groups in Aotearoa, with the rainbow community among those most affected.
But as Zane Small reports, New Zealanders are also slowly becoming more accepting of mental health issues.
Auckland's Queen Street, not quite the bustling strip it was before COVID-19. The pandemic has impacted almost all aspects of life in New Zealand, including people's mental well-being.
I think people are a bit less positive about things.
I think for most people it's created enormous stresses.
When the 2021 sort of August lockdown happened, that one really threw me off.
Stats NZ's latest well-being survey of 3,500 people was released today. It was conducted in April last year and ended just before the first community outbreak of the Delta variant. The survey found that the proportion of people who experienced poor mental well-being has increased by at least 6 percentage points across all age groups since 2018.
Very similar to what our findings have been. We've carried on monitoring it, and as of February this year, that number had risen to 36%.
According to Stats NZ, disabled people, single parents and the rainbow community experienced higher rates of poor overall mental health.
It just really showed this disproportionate kind of difference between the general population and our rainbow communities, and we're seeing that all the time.
The proportion of people who felt it was easy to be themselves also decreased from 83.8% in 2018 to 80% in 2021.
Unfortunately, it's not surprising to see these new statistics.
The survey found that people in New Zealand are slowly becoming more accepting of mental health issues. Nearly 58% said they would feel comfortable living next door to someone with a mental illness, up from 54.8% in 2018. Sean Robinson says something as simple as going for a walk or talking to your neighbour can give you a
48% higher chance of having a healthy wellbeing score.
Some timely advice for New Zealanders battling the winter blues. Zane Small, Newshub.